The Blue Angels, the iconic aerobatic team of the United States Navy, have been flying various aircraft over the years, but they currently fly the F/A-18E/F Super Hornet. Here are some reasons why they don't fly the-generation fighter jets like the F-35C-1. The F-35C is a highly advanced, stealthy, and expensive aircraft. The cost of purchasing, maintaining, and operating the F-35C is significantly higher than the F/A-18E/F. The Blue Angels' budget is limited, and they prioritize affordability and reliability. 2. The F-35C is a critical asset for the U.S. Navy's fleet, and the demand for these aircraft is high. Allocating F-35Cs to the Blue Angels would divert resources away from operational units that need them for national defense. 3. The F-35C is a highly complex and advanced aircraft with a unique set of safety considerations. The Blue Angels flight regime involves high-G maneuvers, low-altitude flying, and precise formations, which increases the risk of accidents. The F/A-18E/F is a more established and proven platform for the team's aerobatic performances. 4. The Blue Angels pilots and maintenance personnel are already familiar with the F/A-18E/F, having flown and maintained them for years. Transitioning to the F-35C would require significant training and familiarization, which would be time-consuming and resource-intensive. 5. The Blue Angels' primary mission is to showcase the capabilities of the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps at air shows and other events. The F/A-18E/F is well suited for this role, with its impressive aerobatic capabilities and familiar design. The F-35C, while an impressive aircraft, might not offer the same level of visual appeal and recognizability for the general public. 6. The Blue Angels have a rich history and tradition of flying various aircraft, including the F-4 Phantom II, A-4 Skyhawk, and F/A-18 Hornet. The F/A-18E/F is a natural progression of this legacy, and the team is proud to fly an aircraft that is closely associated with the U.S. Navy's fleet. While the F-35C is an incredible aircraft, the Blue Angels' decision to stick with the F/A-18E/F is driven by a combination of practical considerations, safety concerns, and tradition.